Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a team on Twitch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Twitch website, from which, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner to proceed with logging into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which you can directly start clicking on any stream that you want to watch. Now, if you want to join any team, then first of all, you will need to receive an invite from the team. After you have received an invite, you might still not find any notification right at your homepage. So in order to access the invites that you have received to join your team, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on a Creator Dashboard. Now, from the Creator Dashboard page, expand the dashboard menu underneath the Home button at the top left and then click on Settings. From the Settings page, tap on Channel, and now within your channel settings page, you will find Featured Content. Go ahead and tap on this, and now within this page, you will find invites that you have received within any team. As you scroll down, you can simply tap on the Accept button alongside each invite within this page to accept the invite that you have received to join their team. Once you accept their invite, you will become a member of the team that you have accepted the invite from. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a team on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.